How to fix Snapchat device ban. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to be learning how we can fix device ban on Snapchat. So without any further ado and delay, let us get started with today's video. If your device is banned on Snapchat, right? So not an account, but your device itself is banned. Now, luckily, what we can check is if our account itself has not been flagged for anything. So if you have got a web browser or some sort like your PC or anything, go to web.snapchat.com from your PC and try to log in and see if you can log in. But if you're having the issue on web browser also, then unfortunately your Snapchat account itself has been banned. But if it's just a device that's been banned, then luckily you can log into another device and hopefully fix that. Now, sometimes the ban is actually tied to your IMEI number. So unfortunately, in that case, you won't be able to do anything yourself unless you contact the phone's manufacturer themselves or Snapchat support team. Now, a couple of things that we can do is, first of all, uninstall Snapchat completely and go to our settings application on Android or iPhone, go to software update, and if you have got any type of update available, make sure to update it to the latest version. And after you update it, also restart your device. Once you restart the device, what we're going to do is we can also simply go ahead and then open up our Play Store or App Store, download any VPN application of your choice and connect to a random VPN. And when you connect to a virtual private network, it might trick Snapchat into thinking that you're logging in from a new location, which might hopefully lift the device ban. So hopefully one of these may have helped to solve the problem. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.